I want to run through my leg layering system here. First, we've got your thermal underlayer. This is going to be next to skin. This is a light layer by Smart Wool. We generally recommend two options here. A lighter layer for down low, and then a heavier version, medium weight to heavy weight, for higher on the mountain. This is a mid-weight here by Patagonia, same base layer design. Then we've got your climbing and trekking pants. This is really just kind of a soft shell type material. These are very light. I like these for hotter days, trekking into base camp or climbing on a glacier. Sometimes it's really hot and you just want really the thinnest layer you can find on your legs. So these are made by OR, really nice thin layer. And of course, higher on the mountain, you're gonna want a warmer option of climbing and trekking pants as well. We use that term climbing and trekking pants really interchangeably, but a heavier version of this as well. And again, you need to make sure that you can layer your climbing and trekking pants over your base layer. And really, that goes for all these layers. You need to make sure that you can layer one on top of another so you don't have any redundancy and you can get maximum warmth. So base layer, you've got your climbing and trekking pants. Next would be your shell layer. So this is North Face, I believe. Just simple and light. This is a very light design, very waterproof, but you don't need anything too overly engineered, too heavy. The most important thing with these pants is that you have a full zip on the side. If you're climbing with big climbing boots and crampons, you need to be able to unzip this pant all the way up so that you can put these on over your climbing boots and crampons so that you don't have to take your boots off and get your feet cold when you're trying to change in and out of these layers. So nice, light, simple design, but incredibly important to have the full zip on the side. I just wanted to show you these here. These are by OR. These are a 3/4 zip. They're great for a lot of things, but not our purposes on the mountain. You need to have that full zip that comes all the way up to the top there. But again, these are just a nice light shell layer there. Getting into the warmer layers, we've got a Mountain Hardwear compressor pant. This is a synthetic insulated pant. Again, we've got the full zips all the way up to the side to be able to get them on and off over your boots and crampons. These are nice and warm. These are great for most peaks out there, Elbrus, Aconcagua, even Denali. These are not warm enough for Vinson or 8,000 meter peaks. These would be great for relaxing at Everest Base Camp or another 8,000 meter peak base camp, but not for Vinson Summit Day. These will not be warm enough, even if they're worn over the other layers. Again, remember that you'll be wearing your down suit on Mount Everest all the way to the summit, so you won't be wearing these, so you don't need to worry about these being warm enough to go all the way to the summit. They're really just for relaxing at base camp. And then you could, if you had a top and bottom system, you could wear these to the summit of an 8,000 meter peak, but generally I use these for Mount Vinson and just relaxing at Everest Base Camp as well. This is a down pant. It's warmer than the Mountain Hardwear compressor pant. Again, it's got the full zip all the way up on the side, some suspenders to keep them up. This is great for Vinson Summit Day right here. So again, those are all your layers. You need to be able to wear them one on top of the other to minimize redundancy and maximize the warmth.